Okay, 2018 Jeep Compass had a P0480 code. Was doing all kinds of screwy crap. You hit the start button and the power just shut off everywhere, and throw a code in every module, communication in every module, blah blah blah. We went through, diagnosed, traced everything. This connector right here in the driver's fender well, I believe it's XY, hold on a second. XY105A was full of water and full of green fuzzies. Cleaned it out, blasted it out, filled it up with dielectric grease, and all the codes went away. So hopefully that helps somebody.